If I asked you what's your greatest asset, you'd probably mention your house, your 401k, your car, your investment account, cash reserves, and respectfully, you'd be wrong. The answer might surprise you. Let's get into it. What most people fail to realize is that aside from your education, faith, family, and health, your greatest asset is actually your ability to earn an income. Sure, you might have $1 million home, a $500,000 401k, or rich investment account, but look at it this way. Let's say you're 30 years old, you make $100,000 a year, and for easy math, your income never changes and your miser boss never even blesses you with a cost of living adjustment to your salary. Well, if you work until you're 65, over those 35 years, your total lifetime earnings will be $3.5 million, magnitudes greater than your presumed greatest assets. So where am I going with this? Well, being the responsible adult that you are, you're probably going to want to insure those hard-earned assets to cover you insure your home, your car, your business, the cash in your bank account's insured, and hell, you probably even insure your pet's phone and flights. But why does no one think to protect the income that pays for it all? May is Disability Insurance Awareness Month, and your ability to earn an income is one of your most valuable assets, but it's also one of the most overlooked when it comes to your protection. I know we think we're all invincible, and that'll never be me, but disability insurance is designed to help protect your income if an illness, injury, or health event keeps you from working. It's going to ensure that you can still cover essential expenses like rent or mortgage, groceries, and utilities to maintain your lifestyle and support your family. Because a disability doesn't just impact your daily life, but it can derail your entire financial future. Because without income, your retirement contributions stop. Without income, your savings stop. And without income, you're forced to deplete your savings and retirement accounts early, and all that you've worked to build would essentially been built on sand and come crashing down. And that's where disability insurance acts as a financial safety net, providing income replacement during those difficult times and helping you avoid those long-term financial ramifications. It's going to provide peace of mind for you to focus on recovery and not your bills. It's going to come as flexible coverage with short and long-term options, and it's often going to come with inflation protection, so your coverage is going to grow with inflation and the rising cost of these needs. And this is the part where you say, yeah, I'm all set, I'm taken care of, my employer offers coverage, yada, yada, yada. But it may not be enough, and it may not be portable, meaning it won't stay with you if you change jobs. Not to mention, your work typically will only cover about 40% of your gross salary for 3 to 6 months for short-term coverage, about 50% of your gross salary for a few years for long-term coverage, and disability benefits are often taxable, which can reduce that real take-home pay of yours even further. That said, in light of Disability Insurance Awareness Month this May, now is the time to take a closer look at covering your greatest asset and your income. At Sentinel Financial Group, we're here to help you navigate your options to make sure that income, your family, and your future are protected. My door is always open. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys later.